Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chebi and I'll take you through my weekend. Well, me and my friend decided to go out on a very beautiful Saturday morning and well, I know you can see the view, right? So we went to Mia's resort. And trust me guys, this is the best picnic you can ever have if you really want a place away from noise, from people. This is the best place you can go to. Mnaona hii swimming pool, hapa ndo niliswim. In fact, I'm going to pin a video when I was swimming over there with the fishes. The ground, guys, look at this. This is so beautiful. Chekini guys, you green Joe, man, it looks so pretty. The trees, the birds, the fish, the waters, it was so amazing. But if I meditate, this is the best place to be. Nilienda nikafikiria mawazo 1000 na sio kukuhusu please. Sio kukuhusu, ni mawazo mengine mengi jamani. But anyway, that aside, so I know you can see the ground for yourself. I really don't want to talk much. I just want you to see the view from my end. Guys, cheki chuki mti. Unajua tulikuwa tumekalia hiyo log na you could even see the hills. I did not regret this. And if I'd want to go, I'd go for like 1,000 times. The flowers, the trees, the waters, everything was fantastic. Able to klokini kwanza juu manzi. Mwana mea, hapo ndio majini utokanga guys. Mwaji 1000. Anyway guys, don't worry, but the water it was tasty. Lini hizo rasha za maji zikiteremka mteremko mtemtem. Now by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you better do this right now if you're ready for these kinds of videos. And no, jamani, hit the subscribe button. Just look at that reflection guys. We na tu fish tulikuwa hapa bacha tuoneka tutaona, lakini you know this stream, unajua simu yangu ilienda na hii maji. I can never forget this. Iliamua kutelemuka telemtelem. Anyway, it just slipped my hand and ikaenda na waves za maji. But I know the waves were not too pressured. Nini tusamaki. Utu tulikuwa tunakula watu mguu by the way. Sijui wanatuitaje tukikumassage, I don't know. But it gives a tingling feeling on your feet and you just feel like But anyway, it was amazing. Tomaji, like this place was just full of water. I mean, just like its name. Anyway, na by the way tulipita Rift Valley. Tulipita Rift Valley kasichakosea cause tulisimama tukapigwa picha. And then we went to see the oldest church. The oldest and the most smallest church in the country, I think. Yeah, it was built by Germans. Germany, I wish I would have pinned this video also on that. But anyway, it was a trip that I'd never forget and I'd want to experience it more and again and again. Anyways, wacha tu ninyamaze. I think I'm talking too much, so wacha tusikie tu maji zikiflow and seeing the environment for yourself guys. Mnachekia hapa mnacheza football mtu 3, unakimbilia ball una hema. man. Na hapa tunapanda hii mti cause kama monkeys zinaweza kupanda, you know. Anyway guys, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for hitting the subscribe button. Na kama haujapea your girl a thumbs up, you better do it cause sasa hii mti ndo tunakimbia nayo. That's how we finish our video. Bye guys.